Good evening, everybody. And in this video, I want to illustrate how to avoid the US ETF restriction for EU traders or investors who want to own ETFs such as the S&P/Y, QQQ, or IWM. So for non-European citizens, this video is rather unnecessary. And actually, I'm sure majority of EU traders are already familiar with this method. Now, just a few words about the background. So in 2018, the EU adapted the MiFID II regulation, which is basically designed to protect consumers, and now fund providers need to produce a key information document, so a paper which basically enables investors to compare the risks, rewards, and costs. And the US domiciled ETFs did not comply since they mostly focus on US customers, and to be honest, the EU retailers just make up a very tiny customer base. There are two ways actually to avoid this restriction, and one can be that you're considered a professional trader. Now, this definition varies between different brokers. I heard some brokers have completely restricted the trading US ETFs for EU citizens. Others apparently have no restriction, as I heard to Tastyworks. However, if you have any experiences, feel free to share them. But at Interactive Brokers, you have to you have to have an account of a minimum $500,000, and then this restriction won't be applied. But I guess in most situations, if you have a small account, what you can do is to trade options, and then you just need to get assigned via a short put, for instance, or a long call, and then you just have to hold the cash, and at the end of the day, once the option expires, you will own 100 shares, and the next day you can trade the position. Normally, you can sell parts of the shares. However, always keep in mind the overnight risk, since you might be a little bit over leveraged if you have 100 shares of a certain underlying. If this video helped you, feel free to give it a like, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.